everybody, so I got a kind of a movie haul and one other item. I went to a couple different Walmarts, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, alright, so I picked up some shop towels. They don't have the 6-packs at Walmart for these for whatever reason, the Scott shop towels. I picked up two packs. They were like $3 something a piece or something like that, I don't remember. But I also picked up these movies. Get this thing on, there it goes. So, Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn just came out today. Today is the 12th, Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. I picked up Bad Boys for Life, the new movie. All of these I got in 4K. This one's kind of like rainbow glittery. It's kind of neat. And then I picked up that new Vin Diesel movie, that superhero movie he did called Bloodshot. Let me open it real quick. This one didn't come with a cover at all, so. The other two came with like a wooden style cover, cardboard cover or whatever. Bloodshot was $24.97, Bad Boys was $27.97, and Birds of Prey was $29.97. But Bloodshot, I wanted to see it. The commercials are pretty neat, so it's going to be like a movie haul and, you know, some shop towels for the shop. Just a quick little video, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Turn the light off. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.